How to add another account on Facebook. So I'm going to show you how you can add another account on Facebook. To do that, open the Facebook app, or you can also do this on the web version if you're using a desktop. You need to first log out of your current account, and in order to do that, tap these horizontal lines and scroll down, then click Log Out. Once logged out, click on this Log into another account button, then enter your account's mobile number or email and password and click Log In. You will then be shown this message. In here, you need to check the notifications on another device where your account is currently logged in, and you need to approve the login to continue. This is a crucial step because of Facebook's two-factor authentication to secure your account. Once you've already confirmed that it is you who's trying to log in to another device, you will then be automatically redirected to the home screen of your account. And if you want to save your info on the device and you want a hassle-free switch of accounts, the next time you log in, just save your login info for that account. Just click these three horizontal lines again and hit log out. It will then show you this message and you can click on save. And to try if that works, try to log out and log in again by tapping your account. And if you have multiple accounts on the same device, you can also use Facebook's switch account feature. You can find that when you click these three horizontal lines and beside your profile picture, you can see this arrow icon. Just click on that and tap on log into another account and select among the accounts that you want to log in. And that is how you add another account on Facebook.